Hi, in this video, we'll guide you through transferring a site in your CookieYes account. This process is simple and ensures a seamless transition. To start, you'll need the account owner's permission to transfer sites. Please note that transferring sites between normal and agency accounts is not possible. Here's how you can transfer a site. First, click the profile icon at the top right corner of the CookieYes dashboard and select Organizations and Sites from the drop-down menu. In the Organizations and Sites tab, find the relevant organization and site. Click the three-dot menu next to the site and select Transfer Site from the drop-down menu. In the modal that appears, choose the destination organization from the drop-down menu and click the Transfer Site button. If the transfer is within the same account, the process will be completed immediately after this step. For transfers to a different user's account, additional steps are required. The owner of the destination organization will receive an email with a Review Transfer Request button and an alternative link. The owner must click the button or copy and paste the link into their browser. On the displayed page, click the Accept Transfer button. If transferring a free site to an organization already has a free site, you must select a paid plan for the new site to complete the transfer. And that's it. Your site transfer is complete with no data loss. If you need further assistance, please visit our website or contact our support team.